It is. Navigate to Franklin, North Carolina.
Okay, Franklin, here we go.
Franz Ferdinand will take me out. And if you really want to get out, and I mean out, like to Las Vegas for the iHeartRadio Music Festival, we could make that happen. Next hour on Alt 1057, another chance at that fly away. Please ask you to be there. It's Cage the Elephant.
Let me know if you want to look at any of the other lookout points. Just
I'm good. I'm good for now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's a bit wet.
We can always look on the way home, can't we? We're going to go to the same road.
Yeah.
It's that proper wet rain as well, isn't it? Where it's not really heavy, it's just kind of light and lots of it.
Drizzle.
Yeah.
Or as I like to call it, sticky vein.
That's it, I would agree. Sticky rain is a good description. Looks like we're about up in the clouds, doesn't it? Yeah, the clouds are low, isn't it?
So we're above them. Or kind of.
In them. Look out the window, you can see cloudy.
Is that where we just were? That we just come up.
So. Come through, but clouds all around us.
Looks like the kind of place where you could go off the side of the road and maybe not be found for a long time.
You're telling me. Definitely if you're in a car that was brown in colour or something. Black car like that.
Yeah, they found. I remember on the A331 towards Guildford, they found the wreck of a car down an embankment, and it had a couple of skeletons in the car.
No way.
Yeah, yeah.
That's crazy. Just because it had been there for so long.
Yeah, and it was on the thick overgrowth. It rusted, and
Wow,
it
Jesus.
had grown over. So
Wow,
it must
so it
have
must
they
have
must
been
have blended in.
10 or 20 years sort of thing, I reckon, did they? Maybe.
Yeah, it must have been.
It's crazy.
Gatlinburg the next place where we end up?
No, but it's a place on the way. Place we go through.
So is it like waypoints?
Yeah, it's just going to say where you're going to turn. It says you're going to go left. So it's just saying what will happen when you get there. Doesn't really look like from the map we go left, but there we are. Sometimes they get a bit confused on the road, just splitting into two. They actually go left, kind of thing.
So have you ever had the GPS take you up the wrong way?
Yeah, GPS is sometimes see. It's I mean, you know, they sometimes pick it up. I mean, we're using Google, aren't we? So the car's got GPS in it as well as Google's one, but just find it easy to use Google's one, really.
Isn't it supposed to be like accurate within a certain number of feet of like where it's showing you
It
are?
depends on how good the It depends on how good the phone is that it's in, or the car. This has like double GPS sensors in it or something though, so I think it can get, where most GPS will get you to within about 5 meters, I think this can get it to within about a meter. But I'm no expert, I don't know, just from reading some things online.
Carlos Campbell Overlook.
Oh. Why is it no Ian Scott Overlook?
It should be. I know, because I haven't discovered any of this.
Oh, right.
Someone else beat me to it. But maybe another Ian Scott discovered it, and there's like Ian Scott Creek Overlook.
You can change your name to Scott Ian, and then you would be the bassist from Anthrax.
Yes.
Then you'd have more stuff named after you.
Scott Ian.
That's it.
I always thought he was weird. I've always thought his name was weird.